Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between QuickBooks versus FreshBooks. So today we are diving into the world of accounting software to help you decide between both. QuickBooks Online and FreshBooks are both powerful accounting solutions designed for small businesses, but they cater to different needs. QuickBooks offers robust features for growing businesses, while FreshBooks is tailored for freelancers and solopreneurs. Let's break down the key aspects to help you make an informed choice. QuickBooks. QuickBooks is best suited for small businesses selling products. With features like inventory tracking and online sales channel management, it's ideal for retail companies. QuickBooks also offers add-ons like payroll, timekeeping, and more, making it scalable as your business grows. On the other hand, FreshBooks is perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs offering services. It's more accessible for those new to accounting with a simpler interface. In addition, it excels in native time tracking, making it easy to bill clients accurately. It's a straightforward solution without the complexity of some advanced features. Now let's compare specific features to help you decide. And let's start with accounts receivable. If you prioritize accounts receivable features, QuickBooks might be preferable. It's more advanced, especially for businesses selling products. FreshBooks, however, is great for self-employed individuals billing for services. Business expenses. Concerned about business expenses, QuickBooks might be your go-to solution. It offers user accounts payable features in its simple start plan, while FreshBooks requires a higher tier plan or third-party integration for similar capabilities. Timekeeping. For timekeeping, FreshBooks takes the lead. It includes native time tracking features in every plan, beneficial for project or case-based businesses. As for QuickBooks, it requires the Essentials tier and up for timekeeping features. Banking and accounting. If banking and accounting tools are crucial, QuickBooks is the winner. It provides standard tools like income statements and cash flow statements, even in its simple start plan. FreshBooks offers similar functionality, but only in higher plans. So, which one should you choose? If you are a small business selling products and need scalability, QuickBooks might be the better fit. On the other hand, if you are new to accounting, a freelancer, or an independent contractor, FreshBooks offers simplicity and native timekeeping features. Assess your business needs and growth expectations to make the right decision. And my personal advice to you is to simply try both of them for a period of time in order to check which one will fit with you more. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, and tell me in the comments which one will you choose. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison.